Hi guys, and welcome to the personal property tour for number 12 Braids Road in Kirkcaldy. This is a 3-bedroom detached villa located in a really popular residential area. We're in the Dundee estate in Kirkcaldy here. This is located really close to the retail park in Kirkcaldy. It's got almost direct access onto the A92 for commuters. Kirkcaldy has an array of other amenities, including the railway link straight into Edinburgh and Dundee. And this property here is in need of a little bit modernisation, but it will be an ideal family home. So let's take a look around inside today. So guys, the property from the outset, number 12 Braids Road, Kirkcaldy. 3-bedroom detached villa. You can see here it has its own private driveway, leads up to the single garage. The property itself has front garden here. Now, as I say, the property itself and the outside is in need of some work and some TLC. That is reflected in the price point, and we'll cover that at the end. But as you can see guys, detached villa, and we'll make an ideal family home. So let's head inside number 12 Braids Road, Kirkcaldy. So in the front door here, now the property is all double glazed. You've got the UPVC double glazed door here, and into the entrance hall, which is substantial in size. And as you'll see from the decor, there is a need for modernisation and some work in places, but that makes it all the better for someone to make it their own. Stairway rises to the upper level with the bedrooms and the family bathroom. Doorway there leads through into the lounge, and that again leads into the dining room and then onto the kitchen. We'll start upstairs and have a look at the bedroom accommodation, and then come back down and look at that all-important living space. Straight ahead we have the bathroom. Should I say shower room? But we'll look at the rooms first. The main bedroom here is a really good size double. You've got storage space with a wardrobe there. Good size double room. This looks out over the front of the property. And as you can see, it's a really good size double room. Head back through the hall to the second double room, which is located at the rear of the property, again with wardrobe space built in. Another good sized double room. This looks out over the rear of the property. And then third room at the front again. Good sized single room. And again, you've got storage there built in. You can look out over the street and the cul-de-sac across there itself. It's a really popular residential area. Great for families, and as I say, location in Kirkcaldy is ideal. Storage in the hallway here, and then also the attic hatch leads to the loft. In here to the shower room, it's all tiled in here, low level toilet. You also have the wash hand basin in the vanity unit, and the shower enclosure with the electric shower. As I said, the windows are all double glazed and in fairly good condition, as is the front and rear door. It's also gas central heating and radiators throughout. Entrance hallway, as we come back down, I'm sure you'll agree, it's a really good size to come into a nice spacious entrance hall with the right decor and colour scheme. This could be really opened up even further to feel really bright. Storage under the stairs does house the electric meter and things. And then it takes us into the lounge area. Dining room off the lounge, but again, a really good size family room. That big picture window at the front lets lots of light through. Feature wall, of course the wooden panelling and things can all be changed. The decor is obviously of a certain age, but leading through the arch into the dining room. Again, big picture window at the back, lots of light in here. And there's ample space in here for a dining table. You could have 4, 6 or probably even 8 chairs in here. And then through into the kitchen. Now the kitchen, again, in need of a little bit of modernisation, but still in very good condition for the age. It has got integrated appliances, you've got dishwasher, under counter fridge, freezer. It's partially tiled. You've had recent updates to the ceiling with the panelling here. And then you've got 2 windows, again letting lots of light through, and the door that leads out to the garden. So we'll head out there, have a little look, and then come back in and review the living space again. Now, the shrubs and trees and things are quite mature out here, but with some work this could be a really, really nice outside space. On the other side of these trees there is a pathway which takes you down into the park, and you've got the golf course on the other side as well. We've also got the single garage, has a doorway at the back here. And much what you would expect of a single garage. Again, some work required, but a good additional space, whether you use that for car or for storage, as most people do. We'll just have a walk up here and look back at the property. This is the property from the rear. It's a really good sized detached villa. They don't come up very often here, and not at the price point this one is. And obviously that's reflective of some of the work that's required. You've got bins here, and you've also got a gate that takes you back down to the front of the property for putting bins and things out and access. But we'll go back in and have a final look round downstairs, back into the kitchen. And as I say, obviously in need of modernisation and work in areas, but you could easily live in this and do it up as you go. An amazing project to add value or create that ideal family home that you've always looked for. So guys, I'm sure you'll agree this could be an amazing family home and an amazing location, residential area which is really sought after. You've got the Dundee school there, you've got the retail park, you've got direct access nearly onto the A92 for commuting, and as I said, Kirkcaldy has a lot of amenities, including that train line. So guys, number 12 Braids Road in Kirkcaldy, 3-bedroom detached villa, in need of some modernisation, but as I say, it's an ideal opportunity to add your own stamp and make your own family home. This one's coming to the market. It offers over £185,000. If you'd like any further information, please message me direct on social media or speak to one of the sales team on 01 592 75 2000. I'm Richard Cook, guys. This is Fife Properties.